Welcome to Ascend and Awaken, a life of balance. In today's video, we're going to take a gentle but powerful journey together, one that leads toward healing, wholeness, and self-compassion. The topic is healing from past trauma, a step-by-step guide. First, take a breath with me. Inhale slowly and exhale. This is a safe space, a sacred container for truth, vulnerability, and healing. Many of us carry wounds from the past, some visible, some deeply buried. Trauma doesn't just come from dramatic events. It can come from being unseen, unheard, or unloved. It can come from betrayal, loss, or simply growing up in an environment that didn't know how to nurture you. Whatever the source, please hear this. Your pain is valid. Your healing is possible. Let's walk through this process step by step. Each phase is a doorway to deeper awareness, compassion, and transformation. Step 1. Acknowledge the pain without shame. The first step to healing is simply naming what hurt you. Many people bypass this part because it feels uncomfortable. But awareness is powerful. When you acknowledge your pain without trying to minimize it or justify it, you reclaim the part of yourself that was silenced. Try journaling or gently saying aloud, "This happened, and it hurt me." Step 2. Create emotional safety. You cannot heal in a space that feels unsafe. Whether it's physical, emotional, or relational safety, your nervous system needs to feel supported before it can release trauma. This might mean setting boundaries with people who hurt you, creating a quiet space in your home for reflection, or working with a trusted professional. Breathwork, meditation, and grounding practices help calm the body and invite a sense of inner peace. Step 3. Feel what needs to be felt. One of the myths about healing is that you must be strong by avoiding emotion. In truth, healing means allowing your feelings to move through you. Crying is release. Anger is a messenger. Fear is protection. Let yourself feel without judgment. As you do, remember to offer yourself tenderness. Say, "It's okay to feel this. I am safe now." Step 4. Reframe the story. While we can't change the past, we can change how we relate to it. Ask yourself, what did I need back then that I didn't receive? And what strength did I develop through that experience? Reframing isn't denying what happened. It's choosing to find meaning and reclaim your power. You move from being a victim of your story to the author of your next chapter. Step 5. Forgive gently, if and when you're ready. Forgiveness is not forgetting. It's not saying that what happened was okay. It's releasing the hold it has over your energy. Sometimes the person you need to forgive is yourself. Be gentle with this step. It can take time, and that's okay. Forgiveness is more for your freedom than anyone else's. Step 6. Build a new foundation. As you heal, start integrating new beliefs, habits, and relationships that align with your worth. You are not your trauma. You are the one who survived. Practice daily affirmations like, "I am whole, I am enough, and I choose peace over pain." Create a routine that includes joy, movement, rest, and connection. Step 7. Stay connected to your healing path. Healing isn't linear. Some days will feel like progress, others will feel like a step backward. That's normal. Keep returning to practices that ground you: meditation, therapy, spiritual connection, nature walks, or heart-centered journaling. Surround yourself with people and messages that remind you of your light. Let's take another breath together. Inhale and exhale. Whisper to yourself, "I am healing, I am whole." You're not alone on this journey. There are others walking alongside you. If this video brought clarity or comfort to your heart, please share in the comments. What is one step you're taking today toward healing? And be sure to subscribe to Ascend and Awaken, a life of balance. Each week we offer guidance and soul-nourishing support for your path to peace and transformation. Thank you for being here. Your story matters, your healing matters, and your presence in this world is a gift. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and remember you are already enough. Love and light to you.